Good evening, myself Anuradha Mata. I have come from Gurgaon and I am a breast cancer survivor. I am associated with Indian Cancer Society of India, and I just wanted to know about a place where I can go for detox of my body, because we have taken lot of medicines for the last in these treatment for last 2 years, and my body always used to feel bloated, and I had rashes in my skin and all sort of things which I was having, and I was very uncomfortable with all these things. So I came to know from somebody about this place, and it is like I came 5 days before, and the type of reception, the type of welcome we got here was like amazing. And then the room, about the room's neatness, they have got a neat and clean room, the neat and clean washrooms, and then the therapy started the next day. And therapy starts at 5:30 in the morning. We have to go for the Panchkarma, Shatkarma, sorry, it is Shatkarma. We have to go for the Shatkarma, and that is the cleaning of the eyes, cleaning of the nose, cleaning of the throat. And I used to think that I'll not be able to do all these, but the staff which helped us to do all these, and they taught us just within 15-20 minutes. And then we went for the yoga practice and all, and then the therapy started. I opted for 3 days naturopathy and 2 days Ayurvedic. And the naturopathy, the type of massages they do and the type of mud therapy they use was really very amazing. And from the very first day I started feeling quite relaxed in my body, and my body started feeling very light. And they give a very good diet chart for this, what we have to follow. We don't have to tell them. Everything is planned according to the doctors, and everything is given to us on time. 8 o'clock the breakfast is given, 12 o'clock the lunch is given, and then the fruit is given, and then evening the dinner is given. And after that we can roam around, we can do walk and all. And the atmosphere here is very, very nice. It is so you can say it is such a safe place that I have seen lot of girls coming here, and they are staying here for 10 or 12 days. The staff takes so good care, and the administrative is also wonderful. And then for after 3 days I went for the Ayurvedic massages, and in Ayurvedic massages I tried Potli massage and Shirodhara. And after taking Shirodhara, it was amazing experience. All sort of stress which I was having, I got relief, totally relief from them. And the staff here is so adjusting. They talk so politely that it is amazing. Experience is really amazing. And one of our known has gone to Jindal's also and Patanjali also, and when I discussed with them, they said that the type of experience which you are telling, they have not felt there. So I'll recommend each and everybody not only to detox the body, but to detox the mind also. One should at least give a visit once in a year to this place. Thank you so much.